Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and display mode so the fixes work. Unplug and reseat the HDMI too. One cable, this prevents handshake issues that distort edges. Next, switch your TV to game or PC mode because those modes disable processing that can crop or stretch the image. On the PS5, open Settings, then Screen and Video, and confirm the console detects 4K or 1080p. This ensures you're correcting the right resolution settings before adjusting scaling or safe area. Once the basics are set, you refine output and scaling. In Screen and Video, change resolution to 2160p or 1080p, or leave auto if you swap sources often. This prevents upscaling artifacts. Then check HDR settings and set RGB range to limited if you see crushed blacks or blown highlights. This fixes color clipping that looks like size issues. Also toggle the full screen and display area settings while watching a test image, because you want the visible game area to align with your TV's active pixels. To finish, you calibrate the display area so UI and HUD fit perfectly. On PS5, open display area and nudge the grid until all four corners of the UI are visible. This directly adjusts safe area without changing resolution. Then verify your TV's aspect setting is set to 1:1 or 16:9 and turn off zoom or overscan. If the image still misaligns, switch HDMI ports, test another cable, and power cycle both devices. This clears stubborn handshake errors and usually resolves residual sizing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.